In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the no service problem on your iPhone after updating to iOS 26. This is going to work in future iOS versions as well, but this issue did start happening specifically in iOS 26. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there so I can help you out further. But first, I recommend trying a quick network refresh. To do this, pull down on the top right corner to open up your control center and turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off. This is just going to do a quick little network refresh. From here, what you're going to want to do is actually check for a carrier update by going into your settings and specifically going into the general tab. So scroll down, select general, and wait for a second. If an update does pop up, go ahead and select it. If you do use a physical SIM, eject it, clean it, and reinsert it. If you do have a dual SIM, just switch slots. But if that doesn't help, go ahead and do a force restart by quickly pressing the volume up button and then the volume down button and then holding on the right side button until the Apple logo does appear. Don't worry though, this isn't going to delete your data. It's just going to do a quick little restart. If you're still stuck though, go ahead and go back into your settings and go back into general and find this VPN and device management section down towards the very bottom. If you do have any VPNs on this, go ahead and remove them. They can sometimes block service and you can always add them back later. And another fix is going to be making sure that you don't have any software updates. So go out and go up until the software update tab. And if you do have any, go ahead and do that. Just because Apple often does push iOS updates to fix whatever previous bugs might have been existing in that previous iOS update, go ahead and do that. And if that's still not helping, back out of this section and scroll down to the very bottom and then hit transfer or reset iPhone. Select reset and specifically choose reset network settings. This is going to restore your network setup but keep your data safe. Finally, if none of this does work, call your carrier because it's most likely a carrier update and a carrier issue and they may need to reconfigure your service on their end. But overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.